Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a zombie pig XP farm. This easy method leverages nether portals to bring zombie piglins into the overworld, providing abundant experience and gold. First, gather your materials. Plenty of obsidian, a flint and steel, and various building blocks. We will construct a large portal array to maximize spawn rates, ensuring a steady flow of piglins for efficient farming. Let's begin by preparing our overworld location. Next, we will build the collection and killing chamber. Below your portal array, construct a system of water streams to funnel all spawned zombie piglins into a single drop shaft. This shaft needs to be exactly 23 blocks tall, ensuring the piglins take fall damage but remain alive with 1/2 heart. At the bottom, create a small, enclosed area where you can safely stand and finish them off with a single hit, collecting all the experience and gold. Now let's focus on the heart of the farm, the nether portal array. Construct multiple large nether portals, ideally 21 blocks wide by 21 blocks high in the overworld. Position them high above your collection system. Use a flint and steel to activate each portal, linking them to the nether. The zombie piglins will spawn from these active portals, falling into your collection system below. Proper spacing is key for optimal performance. To optimize your farm, establish an AFK spot approximately 128 blocks above your portals. This distance ensures maximum mob spawning. When collecting, use a sword enchanted with looting 3 to significantly increase your gold nugget yield and improve your chances of rare drops. Simply stand in the killing chamber, finish off the weakened piglins, and watch your experience bar fill rapidly. This farm offers a highly efficient way to gain levels and resources.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.